Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a newspaper article. First, you have to insert a text box where you will write the heading of newspaper article. Select the option text box, insert it by moving the cursor. After adding the text box, increase its size. Now you have to write. First, change the writing style into Algerian and change the font size up to 21, 22. Then write daily newspaper article inside this text box. Now select the text and centrally align it. Now you have to fill the text box color. Here I am selecting pink color. Now you have to change the text color. As you can see here, the text color is black, which is not looking very good in pink contrast. So select the whole text and then change the font color into white. Now you have to insert a picture. For this, first you have to download the picture from the Google and then select the option insert a picture and then from file extract it and add it on the page. Here I have downloaded the image of Zafar Abbas from the Google. For dragging the image, you have to select the image and click on the option in front of text, so you can easily drag the image. You can easily reduce its size or increase its size. After adjusting the image, you have to insert a text box where you will write the news. Now add the news which you want to add on the newspaper article. As I don't have any sort of news, so simply I move towards Google and search lorem ipsum paragraph in English. After searching it, now add whatever text you want to add. Here I like this text very much, so I will move towards its website. The first one, and then simply I select the whole text and press Ctrl C for copying it. Then move towards Word and press Ctrl V for pasting the whole text. Same as above, copy the whole text from the Google until the text box gets fully filled. Increase the font size. Now you have to insert another text box below this text and same as above, fill the whole text box by copying the text from the Google. After adding the text, now here you can see a space is available. For filling this space, you have to insert another image. I am downloading another image of Zafar Abbas from the Google. After downloading the image, you have to insert the image. Select the option insert and extract the image from the file. Now select the picture and click on wrap text and then click on in front of text, so you can easily adjust the image. And your newspaper article is ready. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming exciting videos. Stay tuned.